What is up, YouTube? We are playing on the Falcon again. Went to the store last night, grabbed some paint, did a quick rough freshen up on the inside here. Yeah, looks good from 5 feet. Don't mind the drips and runs. I was not careful and did absolutely zero prep on this because that's how little I actually care. Wasn't going to do it, and then I made the mistake of playing with some color in there. I was going to do everything white. Changed my mind. Got the motor rolled out, took a rattle can, hit what I could. Obviously, the timing cover just got a little overspray. I was trying not to hit it, but I also took zero effort and time on this too. So I think what I'm going to do right now, since this is pretty much ready to drop in, I got a buddy coming over a little bit later to help me finalize the brake lines and things, the trans lines and the brake lines. So I think right now the tentative game plan is I'm going to wipe the paint off of the oil filter housing, clean that up a little bit, drop this in. I'll put the intake and the rest of the parts in once it's in the car. But I do have headers for this, and I don't know if they're going to fit, so I'm going to jack this up, mount some headers on here first, and see if I can squeeze them in on the motor, because that would be substantially easier. Or I'm going to try putting it in, realize they don't fit, jack it back up, and take it off. The only thing I got to do, I know for a fact I got to pull this hood off, and I don't have a yoke for the trans, because that's at the drive shaft shop, so we're going to do the old rubber glove on the tail shaft housing. Well, right off the bat, I can tell that this isn't going to work with the shifter cable. had to go underneath and support the trans on the bottom side. Did wrestle it in. It's about lined up on the motor mount. I gotta just drop down the engine cherry picker and it should be good to go. Word to the wise, call a buddy when you're putting a motor in. That was a huge pain in the ass. I got it in, but had to go up and down, then work the cherry picker and the jack underneath the trans. Don't recommend it, but it's in. Bolts are in on the motor mount bolts. I'm just gonna throw the cross member in so I can undo these chains, which is also gonna be fun because it's on the back, bolt on the head. Oh well. Trans supported right now with just a regular jack. Holding that up, I gotta climb underneath there and put the cross member back in. But that's what we're leaving off. Sun's going down, it's getting dark. People coming over for a fire. Motor's in, trans is connected. Now it's just nuts and bolts and finishing the rest. I do not have the intake manifold on. Valve covers are off as well. Don't like leaving them that way outside in the driveway, but it is what it is. I just ran out of time. So tomorrow's plan is get the intake and valve covers back on, put the cross member in so it is stationary and supported. Then lots of loose ends. Finish up the wiring, rehook up the fuel lines, hook up the battery, all sorts of miscellaneous crap. Then we will hook up the, like I said, intake manifold and carb. That's all together still. Distributor, I will drop the same one back. I need a steel gear. So the distributor that I had in this for the other cam that wiped is actually a steel gear, so that should be okay now that I think about it. So intake manifold, distributor, rehook up plugs and wires and all those fun things. Get those back in, try and get it fired up relatively soon. I got the radiator sitting on the side of the car. That'll go back on. I do have the trans cooler now. Still got to run trans lines for that, and I need to run the rear brake line and finish the driver's side brakes. Then we should be good to go for mobile moving car. I got a bunch of wiring and lights to hook up. I know I only have one headlight in now. Minor details. The headers I got from Summit don't fit. The driver's side fit on the block fine, but it kind of lands right where the shifter cable is. Passenger side ends up being pitched right into the transmission pan, which is no good. So figure out what I'm doing with that. Realistically, if I can get it to the shop, I don't mind cutting up and welding brand new parts. I just would like to not have to do that. Looks like that's going to be the case either way. So I'll throw the manifolds back on with just open dump tubes, and that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those fun things. More progress to be made. Fresh break-in, start up. Not that there's much break-in with the roller cam block. I'm not overly concerned about this one like I was with the other one. Got to seat the rings and things, but I should be able to fire this one up and just kind of go.